Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the percentile rank. And in this particular problem, if you want to see how the homework wants you to work it, of course I want you to understand how to calculate it by hand using the formula. In this particular formula, they want you to use Excel and they want you to use the percent rank .exe formula. So what we'll do is, and I think I already have it open, so I'll just open it and show you. Okay, so we're going to do percentile rank exe. So this one right here. And then you want to highlight the array. So we want to know the percentile rank of Washington National wins. So we're going to highlight all of the teams and their wins. Then we're going to put a comma. And then which one are we looking for? Well, we're looking for Washington National. And then significance, the example said 3 decimal places, I believe. So you get 83.3. And let's make sure. Okay, see how I accidentally didn't highlight all? Make sure all of them are highlighted. Okay, now. All right, so we get 0.87, which is the 87th percentile. Okay, the next one is the rank for losses by Chicago Cubs. So this time, we're going to do the losses. So we're going to highlight all the losses by the Chicago Cubs. Let me do this. Okay, and then comma, and then Chicago Cubs was 70, comma, 3. So you get 22.5%. And that is how you use the Excel formula to calculate the percentile rank.